How to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Chrome or Edge in Windows 11. Fix number 1. Find your Chrome or Edge shortcut, right-click on it, and choose Properties. In the Target tab, go to End and give a space and paste this text. I will provide this text in description. Click Apply and then click on OK. Fix number 2. Open Chrome and click the 3 dots in the top right and click on Settings. Click on the search bar and search Use Graphics Acceleration. If it is on, turn it off, then click Relaunch. Now for the Edge browser, do the same. Turn it off if it is on. Fix number 3. Press Windows key plus I. Click System and then Sound. Click your Bluetooth headphones in the list. Set audio enhancements to off if it is turned on. Fix number 4. Open Chrome and type Chrome:///flags and press Enter. Search Media Foundation in the search box at the top. Set the matching flag to disabled and then click Relaunch. Fix number 5. Press Windows key and R together. Then type services.amasc and press Enter. Scroll down to Windows Audio in the list. Right-click it and choose Restart. Comment below if your problem is solved.